What's going up, everybody? Hope everybody's having a fantastic day today. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about how you guys can make upwards of $100 per day. Now, there's multiple ways you guys can do this, but we're going to be just talking about the top 2 ways that I try to make some side money. And it's very easy, it's not complicated, and overall this will take you, probably 20 or 30 minutes. So if you guys know anything about flipping items, you guys can go on wholesale websites like Alibaba or AliExpress, and you guys can buy bulk items and you can resell them for higher prices. So when you go on there, you want to find something that is cheap and you guys can sell it. So you always have to look for the demand of the stock, or not stock, the product. So what I normally do is I will go on Amazon and look up the top 10 trending products. Then I'll go in on Alibaba and I will look up that product, because I know that Amazon is the largest online store. So tens of millions of people buy things on there. So if there's a certain product that's really hot right now, I don't want to be not in the trend. I always want to be with the trend and make the profits. I would rather buy something that I know people are going to want than buy something that I think people should want, if that makes sense. And this is very, very easy. It's not complicated. All you have to do is sign up with Alibaba and then sign up either with eBay or Amazon, sellers, or you guys can create your own store. My brother actually created his own store and he makes pretty decent money doing it, and he sells gold chains. So this is just a very easy way for a lot of people to get some side income. If you want me to make a more in-depth video, I will gladly do it. But and you guys, if you don't have the extra money, to buy 200 products from Alibaba, you guys can literally go on Craigslist, and you guys can either find cheap products or you can find free items, because they offer a free section. You can click there, and most of the time they have chairs or dressers or something that people just want to get rid of. They don't want to mess with it, they're just trying to get rid of it fast, and you guys can grab it and pick it up and resell it for 10 or 30 bucks, And if you do that every day, $10 or $30 over the course of a month. So let's just do it on the calculator here. So if that's, say you sell one item a day at $30, that's an extra $10,000, per month, or not per month, per year. And you might be thinking, well, that's really not that much. So let's say you sell 2 products a day at $30 profit. So that's $60 times 365, and that right there is over 20, that's just round up to 22,000. And that right there, if that could be you, working, you come home and you just find a product and you just sell it, for a higher price. There's multiple ways you guys can do this. You guys can either flip, anything. You can buy things at a higher price, sell them at a lower. A lot of people use different apps, such as, like I said, Craigslist is good, eBay's good, OfferUp, Let It Go. So these are just ways people just try to get rid of things, and they do all offer a free category on it, so you guys can just pick up the product, no problem. Put it up on Craigslist for 20 bucks, And if you say, oh, well, what if people don't want it? Well, you can just throw it out, If no one buys it, just throw it out. So you lost money on the gas there, so that's about $3. So, that's a way that a lot of people make money. That's the way I'm planning on making money, and I'm going to. And then the other way this is the second way people can make a kind of passive income stream here, is by swing trading stocks. You know, I always talk about stocks on my YouTube channel. You know, that's why I have this really cool banner here. I teach people, you know. But a lot of people don't realize the power of swing trades. They think the stock market is, you know, only for professionals, and they don't realize that you can make, you know, $500 a week swing trading a stock, or $500 a day by swing trading stocks. You know, swing trading is when you buy a stock at a certain price, and over the course of, you know, a couple of days to several weeks, the share price goes up and you sell it, and you just keep doing it and doing it, and you build up an account. And you know, then if you start with, you know, $100, you build it up to 1,000, you build 1,000 up to, you know, 5,000, 5,000. Once you get over like 5,000, everything moves very, very, very fast, meaning your profits are higher. You know, your average winner will most likely 10% of 5,000 is $500. So $500, if you can make 10% in a day or in a week, that would be an extra $500 a week. And right there is almost that $20,000 a year if you just learn it. You know, so these are just super easy ways that you can make some side money. And if you want to start like learning about swing trading, you guys can definitely check out my other videos. I talk a lot about how to find stocks that I see potential in, and kind of the software and stuff that I use. So it's very easy. It's not too complicated. You know, it's easy enough from anyone who's a you know, a doctor to somebody who's in high school that is trying to learn about it. I break everything down very easy, stuff that I'm looking at. So, you know, that's how you guys can make some extra side money. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, subscribe if you're new, comment, let me know if you guys are reselling items, because I would love to hear it. You know, so that's it though. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of the week here. Take care.